So would you like us to show you how to create low content books for Amazon KDP using Book? So let's get started. So you wanted to meet Book. First of all, before you sign it up, you wanted to focus and try it out how does the Book actually works. This is an amazing place to create and scale a book publishing business without writing a single word, with all the innovation of the software that they actually have to provide to them. Speaking about the, let's say for example, this is just like a game, a word search, a cryptogram, you want to make some coloring pages, and of course so much more, only using this application. It's really simple, it's really fast to use it. So let's get started. First of all, what you wanted to do is to, of course, follow the link we're going to be leaving you down below in the description in order to make the registration here into Bolt. So how can you get started? You can get started with an actual Book or the free trial, monthly or yearly. So in this case, I'm going to try with the actual monthly, so I can be showing you the newbie style of the Book. Here, what you want to do, of course, is to first of all verify that you are an actual human and hit now to continue. Now it's going to be asking us to please select the form to register. So I'm going to skip this part for you. So now I have access to the actual Book dashboard. Once you're logged in, you wanted to take some time to explore the Book dashboard. Here you can find that there's a lot of products, tools you needed to create low content books for Amazon KDP. So you can familiarize yourself with the different tabs and feature availability. For example, here I'm going to type into the category and you can try it out, look out for something easy, for example, like a coloring book or like a puzzle book or whatever. I'm going to hit now into search. And as you can see here are, for example, easy Sudoku puzzles, Sudoku large print, easy, very easy Sudoku puzzles, and so much more. I'm going to select actually one of them. Now here, down here, you have the actual section of the book lista. You can find out some specific books directed into the KDP. The KDP Spy is going to be helping you to spy Book to find and set up, of course, from Amazon Kindle Publisher Research. And of course, there are the keywords that can be helping you to look out on, of course, let's say help you improve your keyword research. For example, I'm going to try Sudoku. And here, as you can see, I have the Amazon most trending. Here's the Amazon search volume, 100 Sudoku puzzles, and so much more. What I can do, of course, is to go into the upper side. Let's say, for example, look out for lullabies and go into search. And as you can see, Amazon sometimes has lower costs, lower CPAs, higher CP, Amazon search, volume search. And of course, what people are actually looking, for example, in this kind of elements is to look out for ADHD lullaby music, ADHD lullaby. And what I can do is to copy all of this, paste it into a new tab, and just go for Amazon KDP. And as you can see, it's going to be showing you a lot of stuff where you can just get started with. As you can see, this one has more than 300 ratings, so I believe this one is actually really great for the actual let's say the keyword finder. All of these books goes with an actual ASIN code. You can use this code to track all the information about this book. I just needed to paste it here and hit into search. I'm just going to be collecting all the product data about this book scouted support. And lastly, you can track out puzzle books depending on what is the actual product you want to sell. For example, here I can find that there's an actual product that has, this is the author, here's the actual price of $7. So as you can see, this is the actual price, but here is the highest price, the lowest price, the average price, the category where it's actually been sold, and the total results. Now, as you can see, I have more information about it, more reviews, the same price, the VSR, the publication date, and the description. And to the upper side, I have all the keyword count, the related keywords, and down here I have so much more elements that I can use for my actual planner. So what I can do is to open any tab and of course use all of this knowledge to apply it directly into Amazon KDP. This is the part where I wanted to get started by, of course, open any tab and go for the self-publishing of Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Here what you can do is to create, manage, and publish directly here as an ebook, paperback, or hardcover book. So I'm going to hit into create. And as you can see, it's going to be asking you to create a Kindle ebook, a paperback, a hardcover, or a series pages. So I can type, for example, something for create an ebook, and you can just get started by adding the book title, the series, the edition number, the author contributor description, and so much more elements. Of course, the keyword can be helping you to highlight short phrases that can help you to find out, let's say, people you're more likely to find your actual book. That's the reason why we actually use the actual book scout and figured out what are the actual elements that were used for this actual product. The Book Bolt has an actual studio that can be helping you to create an actual project, whether that could be like a hardcover, a paperback. Usually it's going to be helping you, of course, to get started by adding in different elements of the booking, and you can change the typography, the cover template opacity, and so much more. Even you can add your own images directly into this actual template, so you can use it as an actual reference, so you can just get started with the integrations of your actual KDP. Lastly, you have the actual Bolt mass cover converter. It can be helping you to use an actual cover hard case to convert it and add it directly into Kindle, Amazon, KDP. And that, guys, is how we can actually use the Book Bolt. So if you have any question, if you want to know a little bit more about this, you can let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully with all of that being said, you can also into your browser section of TechPress, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to watch more about this actual element of the Book Bolt, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.